Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, yo, what up, John? Oh, just getting my day going. It's oddly super humid by me. Super, super humid. I don't know why. Yo, morning, Paul. Ali. Getting my. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is, man. It's just freaking, it's crazy humid here. It's gonna rain though for like the next 5 days or something, 3 days. Um, it's crazy. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? Dump it. Yeah. That's probably what it is. We're supposed to get big rain on Thursday. Oh, you're back in Toronto? You're home now? Yo, what up, G Trade? Oh, I didn't know you were home. That's cool. Is your daughter back trading? Dude, Purple Ninja facts. I am going to give you away knowledge all day. All day, knowledge will be given. Welcome to the stream, brother. What about white ninja facts or purple ninja facts? You got purple. What do you got? You got red ninja facts. What other ninja facts? You don't really need to aim for more. And I'll be honest with you, if you were doing that and you just copy traded on 3 accounts, think about it, you'd be at $600 to $900 a day. That's where the multiple accounts come into play, is where you don't try to get more money in an account, but you just kind of spread it out among multiple. Damn, John. Oh man, I got like no sleep last night. I got to bed like 1 in the morning. I've been up since 6:30, and I woke up probably 5 times through the night. What up, Turtle Sniper? Well, just take it easy, G. Just ease back into it. No need to like all of a sudden just start hammering trades. Just slowly get back into it. Good morning, Simone. Good morning. Good morning. I actually locked in. I locked in 1 day already in this other account. Oh, I'm trying to find this thing on my computer. On my computer. Oh, here we go. Man. Oh, you know what I was trying to find? That's what I was trying to find. Where is my freaking tasty trade? My tasty trade. Yeah, small gains are where it's at. I mean, especially if you're doing it among multiple accounts. Even $100 over 10 accounts is $1,000. Just think about that. $100. It's not about. I think in the prop firm game, it's more about I feel like in the prop firm game, it's more about timesing it by multiple accounts than going so heavy on one. That's how I feel. Dude, what the fuck? We be trading complex actions? No. Do you carry overnight positions? Yes. Dude, what is the typical size? Dude, that was fucking crazy. Oh, they fucking dipped it? They dipped it on me? I didn't even see it. I was literally applying for I was applying for something. The fuck? Yo, what up? Yo, Team Massive. What up? What up, Overtrader? $100 for wait. Do you guys pay monthly fee on Take Profit Trader after you get funded? No. Nope. Overtrader. Morning. Do you like downside versus upside? Yes. I think I do like the downside as long as we stay under right around here. What is that? Call it 900. Trying to make some money early. I did make money early, actually. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Do it. Man, I'm just going to only because I'll be honest with you. I'm literally just moving to break even on some of this shit. Only because as we get closer to the open, I don't want to be holding this into the open. I want to see the move kind of happen here because if you think about, see how like we have bounce. See, right? Like this is the support. We broke the support here. They bounced it, and now we pushed back down. I want to see now a continuation to the downside. I don't want to see us keep trading back through this support to the upside. Know what I'm saying? You feel me? See, what I don't want is them to basically take liquidity here and then they push it back up. See what I'm talking about? I want to see. This is why why I don't love trading pre-market is there's so much less volume that you can trade over areas. It will overshoot. I mean, I'm still in it in 2 accounts, so. Oh man, fucking coffee is amazing. Any news today? I will look right now. Let's see what we got going on in the hopper. So we have new home sales at 10 a.m. And then we have a Fed speaker at 4:10 p.m. That's it. No big news. Tomorrow, holy shit. Tomorrow you have Fed speaker 820. Initial jobless claims 830. GDP third estimate 830. U.S. trade balance in goods, retail inventories, wholesale inventories, durable goods. You got a lot of shit tomorrow. Oh, baby. And then you got Feds, you got existing home sales. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 6 Fed speakers tomorrow also. What account are you giving today? Do it need activation? I don't know, man. You got to spin the fucking wheel or the account ducks race. So nobody actually knows. Yeah, Nick. Also, there's spreads. There's definitely spreads. I sound like a cold is trying to get me. Maybe. I don't. Little bit, dude. I'm on no sleep, BK. Yo, if you get the whammy, there's no activation fee, so don't even worry about it. Yeah. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy. Stop. So anyways, yeah. Lot of action tomorrow. Yo, I took $1,000 payout this morning, which is nice. Start my freaking day off nice. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just looking. I don't know. Oh, interesting. Interesting. What up, TJ? I am just looking for the downside. Hanging tough like Marky Mark right now. Oh, what are you guys up to? Anybody in the trade? Yeah, I don't know about that, man. I'm only saying that because there's no real news today. We got no news. So here, I'll tell you what I'm looking at. So you can just kind of see we inverted this fair value gap to the downside, right? We traded back into it, and now we're trading out of it, right? We're I 916 would be the short. I'm gonna reshort this. This is so risky. Man, I got a crazy ass feeling about today. What is that? 100 points, maybe? Yeah. I want to see it trade through. I feel like at the bare minimum, we come down and look for this big wick down here, which is at 847. 847 would be like, I don't even know if this is, oh, that really is VWAP. I don't know. I see us going lower. I'll mess around with them over trader every once in a while, and they're not from his server. No, nope. There's a guy in our Discord that made something I'll play around with. I mostly play around with it on evals. It's mostly an eval thing. It's really good, or it's bad. Just like any of them, they're mostly based off of trends. So, argument's sake, if you shop around, it like gets in short here, and then then you get stopped out. Like it's very trend based. So what happens is you need like this, right? Or you need this or down. Like you'd make a lot of money here and here, a ton of money. But when you start chopping around, it just enters in and out, and you just get fucking smoked. That's the problem with a lot of the bots. They base themselves off of trends. I did want to fire one up. I did want to fire one up today, but I got to do it on an eval, and then change the TP to like quick. So if you are in chop, it's just basically scalping. You know what I'm saying? Because what I think is when you do the trend-based indicators, like they're trying to get like 30 points. But if you do it where you're maybe only getting like 8. Chill FX. How do you get Hikins in Quant Tower? It's a great question. I'll take a little peek-see. All right. Look at my Quant. Let's see. I'm looking. I am looking. So I hit that. Oh, it's right here. There you go, like that. So it's this thing up here. You click and then you go down to Heiken's. Yo, just remember, I answer everybody's question in the whole chat. You are just not in a random chat. I answer everybody, dude. And if I don't know, I look it up for you real quick. Somebody asked me how you do this is where you add the take profit and stop loss. Also, there's a thing right here. See, it says placing strategy. Yo, what the fuck's going on? So, we got news or something? What is this? You activate that. This is auto break even. This is how you go to auto break even. 10 ticks, go to auto break even. Dude, what the fuck's going on here, man? It's just a weird time. Like, I'm probably just going to fucking exit my fucking position. Not exactly sure what's cracking here. Is there some type of news? Someone. Dude, it was just like flickering. Yeah, no, but it was like the candle was like flickering. Like if you look. Like you have all these like little, and then all of a sudden you just had like back. It was just back and forth, like in 10 points. Not like anything big, but almost like a Fed speaker is talking or something, or there was some like Japan news or some shit. Was this it? Oracle plans to tap the U.S. investment grade debt market with $15 billion raise. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I got out with some small gains, mostly. I'm probably going to get stopped here. That's fine. We're going to revisit this short in a little bit. On the higher time frame, it looks like I feel like we're going to go down to what do we got here? We got London lows, London highs. Asia lows. See, like this was what I was looking at earlier and why I originally got. I mean, you swept London highs and came back through. I'm usually a fan of that. I'm usually a fan of that. I'm looking. I just got a ping. Somebody ping me. Someone ping me. I have no fucking idea where. Boom. Yo, what up, Sean? I tried it, and it is tough for entry. Wait. What'd you try? Oh, stop losses, a bounce off VWAP. On the right-hand side of that panel, you can choose. I can actually, the Hikins. Hadoukens. I'm just looking. Just looking. Deleting some of these freaking. I got a bunch of tabs open. Bunch of tabs just eating my fucking bandwidth. Bandwidth eating. So at the very beginning of the market, I try not to have anything up because Quant Tower is fucking choppy as fuck as soon as we open. And I'll do the I'll trade the open on the screen. So here's the deal. I'm going to trade the open on the screen. Do not follow it because you got to remember you have like a 3-second delay. So by the time I'm in, you're 3 seconds behind me. Everyone got that? Everyone understand? This is why I don't do it on the screen, because by the time you see it, it's already fucking gone. That's the only trade of the day that's like you're going to get delayed on, because the rest of it's like you're going to hold it for a little bit and whatnot. But that one thing is like, what up, scalper? Good morning, Aziri. What's up, man? Good morning. Good morning. Oh, I would say my bias is to the downside here, unless we get over 900. It's kind of what I'm looking for. I do think if we can break out, you might then see back up into this area. Just throwing it out there. This is kind of what I'm looking at on the higher time. You got this big inversion here, and we traded back into it, and we traded out. I would have liked to see us. So this is a 4-hour candle. So this starts again at 10 o'clock. I would want to see this still close red, and then the 10 to 2 o'clock candle break below this and go down. And then we might be on to something pretty big. Do you entry? I press the button on Tradeivy, and TradingView is just for charting. My decisions are made on TradingView, but I hit the button on Tradeivy. I would not be able to follow someone even if I was trading their account. Yeah, well, I have to put the disclaimer out there because someone's gonna be like, "Yo, man, I followed," and the one day you follow is the day it loses. You know what I'm saying? What up, Discipline? Trading early today. I can't sit through all day, so that's why I'm gonna take a break at lunch today. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might go for a walk, but I am tired, I'm sore, and uh I'm not streaming straight through from 10 to 4:30. So I was like, I'll come on early and hang till noon and then stop and go get some food. Just take a breather. Maybe I'll go to Home Depot, maybe Bed Bath and Beyond. I don't know if I'll have enough time though. Uh, yeah, Texas. Yo, good morning, Monet. Yo, what up, Ray? Yeah, it's from old school, Nick. When he's at the fucking party and they get trying to get him to drink Frank the Tank, and he's like, what are you doing? He's like, I got a really busy day going on tomorrow. And then they all start like they think he's joking around. He's like, fine, one beer, one beer. It's definitely not one beer. Man, I am looking to fucking get back in this. I want to see what happens here, though. Like, do we now bounce again and then break this to the upside? Then I definitely don't want to get in. Yo, what up, Kevin? You ever catch that was Thursday night, but tomorrow was Saturday? No, no, I never caught that. Going to Bed Bath and Beyond. I used to have one where I used to live. The only time we really went to Bed Bath and Beyond was like when I moved, or I think we went there for like our registration. Maybe I don't even know. Dude, I go on in the springtime. I go to Depot a lot. I go to Depot a real lot in the springtime. We do a garden, so I'm like they're getting dirt, getting plants, seeds, all types of shit. Home Depot. The deeps. Dude, oh man. I am contemplating on another pop taking 5 micros in a couple of accounts and just letting it roll. I am contemplating it. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, what up, Creo? Dude, I am going to go just reload on my fucking coffee. Give me 30 seconds. 30 seconds reloading on coffee. Must have coffee. Oh, I'm fucking back. I don't know, man. I kind of want to buy and just fucking hold. What's the problem? What's up? No, just tell me what's up. I wonder if my bathroom door is closed. Oh. No. This is gonna be, if I'm fully okay with taking the stop out. Just an FYI to anybody that's thinking about jumping in. I am fully okay with. I'm not gonna copy trade it though. What up, AD? Oh, I just cracked my knee. What the? That felt so fucking weird. Oh, that was weird. Oh my God. Like, yo, are you golfing today? Oh man. Getting rid of all my fucking. Trying to get rid of all my fucking tabs that are open before I trade this fucking open is what I'm doing. Boom, 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 boom. My mom wants a link for a FaceTime. What the fuck is a link for FaceTime? Anybody use a link for FaceTime? I've never heard of that before in my life. Bro, I gotta look at this. Bro, I get crazy fucking emails. If I Zoom, bro, I'm not Zooming. Some guy sent me a fucking email. Dude. Dude. I don't understand. I don't know. She's trying to fucking. Yo, somebody messaged me. Bro, there's no way I can fucking. Let's see what this guy fucking says. Let's see what this says. All right, guys, you ready for a nice winning day?
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yeah, I'm not adding shit. I'm not adding shit. All right, so I'm going to trade this shit on. Now, I'm just letting you know. It's already won. I already won 2 days in a row, basically. So the odds are not in my favor today. How's that sound in the opening trade? So let's see what happens. I will take it on the stream. I am just letting you know that the odds are not in my favor. So being that I won twice in a row, I'm not exactly sure what happened yesterday, actually. Yesterday was like duty. I won. Somehow I won half, lost. I don't even know what happened there. Yeah, I don't know what she's talking about. I don't know. So anyway, anywho's, I'm just looking. Get ready to get ready for the open. You got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We're going to see what happens in 10 freaking minutes. I'd love a massive fucking dump here at the open. So this account is a weird account because I made – so this account I just got in, I've already taken 3 or 4 payouts in. And because I had a massive day, how this account works is I need to make at least $600 in this account for me to record a trading day. So what? So I got to go for $600, and I'm hoping to get it out the gate. Let's go. I got my green cup of gains right here.
What's in that bush?
I don't know, dude. What are you doing? So back when I was trading options, this, let me see. Does it even show on the fucking screen? Oh, yeah, it does. This was my green cup of gains. And then I had a red cup if I was short. Like if I was net short options, I would drink out of my red cup in the morning and out of my green cup if I was long. It was just a fucking thing that we used to do. Oh, man. I'm ready. What up, Mo bro? I'm ready to get this fucking party started. Yo, I'm not going to lie. My funded futures paid me in 3 seconds today. I requested money and literally it was like, you have been paid. What up, John? How long to pass evals? It's a 50% consistency rule. So basically, you could pass in 2 days. How much money is the activation? There's no activation fee. Honest question. I've been paid. I love them. I've been paid a lot of freaking. I got paid today from them. How's that sound? If you've never, so this is what they're doing right now. But if you've never had an account with them, you get 50% off and you can get a core account for $38, I think it is, with no activation fee. Which is crazy. $38, no activation fee. If you've never had an account with My Funded Futures, I would at least just get the one for 50% off. At the bare minimum. The bare minimum, I would do that one. I mean, it's $38 all in, no activation fee. Yeah, John, all good. Bro, I just want them to fucking slam this thing. If we can get below VWAP, it's going to be a rough one, though. I'm only taking 2 contracts. I am playing the open smaller than normal. Primarily because I think there's going to be lack of Oh. So my funded futures 50% off is only for first time users. Buy one, get one 25% off is for everybody. Which so the blended average is like, was it $64 an account all in? It's pretty solid. Please don't slam it. I mean, I would say, yeah, you got 30 days to hit it probably before they rebill you, but I'm usually there in like a day or two. Like that week, I'm kind of done with it. I never let evals rebill just because I typically pass them or not pass them before the month is over. It's getting a little fucking frisky here. A little frisky here. I'm just looking. See, I know you got VWAP down here. So maybe we do pop to start the day off. Maybe we just go through and rip it. Usually I have a bias going into this where I'm like, yo, I only want to take the upside or I only take the downside. I really don't have like a bias today, only because I do think we eventually sell off today, but you know, maybe it holds VWAP and we bounce back up. Just remember, this won on Monday and Tuesday. So the odds are not in my favor today. Typical win rate is 65%, but I have a 1.5 to 1 risk reward. So obviously it pays, but the win rate's only 65%. So you're basically winning, you know, 6 out of 10 days. So I'm due for a loss. So it's probably going to come right today. So brace yourself. I can't believe I didn't get fucking pinged out right there. Oh my God. You know what? I should have manually exited. I didn't even realize that was 900. I didn't realize that was 900. That's on me. That's fucking garbage. I didn't even fucking pay attention to it. It was right the fuck there, too. Yo, there's something wrong with Tradeivate, guys. Look, there's something wrong with Tradeivate. I can't move any of my fucking shit. Yo, Tradeivate is fucking delayed. Oh, no. Bro, Tradeivate is like delayed. There's something wrong with it. There's something wrong with Tradeivate. There's something fucking super wrong with it. Dude. What the fuck was that? Man, I got stopped out at the fucking top. Activity. I'm just Oh man, that was pretty fucking good, right? I couldn't be more short bias. I truly think we're gonna go further down. Um I need to get this account. I'm not gonna play that right now. Let me focus on this fucking account. My bad if I'm a little quiet. What was that? 44? Okay, I'm right there. I gotta fucking zoom in. Actually, let me get out of this. Oh, let me bring this other fucking screen up. Bring this onto my other thing. Yo, we get under. That wasn't the best of entries. I just want to see if we continue. If we continue, this would be the continuation spot. We basically came back up to the 9, and then you'd kind of continue down, right? I want to see us get to like 30 here, and I'm going to move my stop. I'm going to move my stop down anyways. All I'm doing is just limiting my fucking exposure at this point, right? Right? So now I'm at a free trade. It's free now. I can't get hurt. I want to see it dump, though. I want to see it get down to like 29. See? Come on. Fucking sell through, baby. Sell through. Fucking sell through. Whoa, that didn't fucking take me out right away. That was fucking crazy. I'm doing multiple shit at one time. I got fucking stocks. I'm in. I'm just clearing out some of my shit, to be honest with you. If you hear that, that's me just selling stuff. Chris Bova, I was short. I was. I don't think I'm short now. No. No. I am not short. I am not short. I don't know. It feels like it's going to go lower, but I'm just kind of hanging in there real quick. Looks like we can possibly take it up. I'm not taking this to the upside. I'm just chilling out for 2 seconds. I'm just chilling. Do not come. Do not come. Yeah, I'm just chilling out. Listen, you're getting this chop right here. I was short biased. We got the short. And now just chill out for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Man, starting this tasty trade off account off pretty well. This is just showing me that we're unable to really fucking go. I'm just going to grab a quick 5-piece McNugget here. Let's see if they just give it up. Or are they just going to give it up and then flush it out? Just kind of a feeler. I got smashed? How'd you get smashed? See, I won't buy another feeler. So this is like a third of a size. As you see, I was just playing with 15 of them. This is more like I buy 5 micros, and then if we end up breaking, I then add. Like if we don't break this top right here and then go back lower, I will add 5 micros right here. You know, I'm looking for the structure to break to the downside. Oh, man. Holy fuck. I don't want to backfill. Yo, I don't want to backfill. Watch. I think they're going to backfill it. Watch. They're going to come all the way back up to 50. Just watch. Watch. They're going to backfill this whole candle. That's why I just got out. Watch them because there's no... That was just like a flash. Anytime you get some shit like that, they'll usually backfill it. If they don't backfill it, it's probably just going to dump. I would think that they're going to at least come back up. Joom here. Oh, they're not even going to backfill that shit? I don't even know what caused that thing. Bro, that was it was 20 points in a quarter second. Come on. Come on, baby. Give me the break. Give me the fucking break. Needs to get below 23 here. Yo, Tradeify is definitely having some problems. If I get stopped, I'm done trading this until we get an actual move out of here. I'm not going to keep trading. I'm not trading the chop is what I'm not doing. Hold down. That's what I'm trading. But like if we break back, roll over and we come back up, then that's chop. The move is to the downside. If we do not get the move, I am out and I'll just sit and fucking wait. That's the only move for me. $31.80s. See, I'm just reducing. Come on. See, I took half off now for, I don't know, $67. I'm at break even. I can't lose. The one thing that you're worried about right now is that we sweep these lows and then they come back up. And that's what I do not want. So if I get taken out, I get taken out. But I'm in. You want to see continuation to the downside. I would say you want to see it go down to like 800. I try to talk through this. Just sorry if I'm not answering questions. This is why I normally don't stream in the morning because I'm constantly trading. But I'm just trying to walk through my thought. I'm just talking about my thought process as we do this. So if I don't answer a question that you asked, I apologize. You know what I'm saying, guys? I don't mean to not answer anybody. I'm just talking through my process here. And now I just move my stop down. I'm basically at the top of this candle. Hoop Fiesta asking me about the giveaway. Bro, it will be on the screen. I'm trying to make money here. We're in a trade. We're fucking banking. Oh, baby. I'm just going to move down. I think you're going to bounce off 800. So I'm just trying to – I think we're going to bounce off 800, and I'm just trying to get my fucking cash here. I'm out. Boom. Anybody take that shit? Yo. Yo, who got that? Yo, I called this out the fucking gate. I was super bearish out the gate. Now, listen, can it keep going down? Yeah. But you should have a lot of gains at this point, or enough. You should have enough gains at this point. Can we keep going? 1,000%. Morning, La Rosa. Oh, is it just going to fucking give it up? Yo, this is where we hung out yesterday. This is where we hung out yesterday and bounced every fucking time, by the way. I hate doing it on Tradeify. I'll just show you. Look, previous day low. Look, wicked. All seriousness, I would be almost looking for us to take out previous day low and then come back up. We bounced here all fucking day yesterday. I'm looking for my freaking... Oh, here we go. I don't know, man. I'll be honest with you. I want to see what it does at 822, which is right here. I want to see if it rejects up here. Oh. I want to see if it rejects. If you wanted to short, you can short it if we get below 800 and your stop out would be whatever this candle is. You'd risk like 10 points. Are you doing ES or NQ, Knob? Are you on the ES train or the NQ train? What are you on? I need that sweep, baby. Give it to me. That's what I would be targeting, though, is the sweep of previous day low. What's it actually at? Yo, Knob. Red folder in 3 minutes? I'll stay. Yo, what is it, Waldo? Oh, you have new home sales in 3 minutes. New home sales in 3 minutes. I got 3 minutes to dump this in the sink and be right back. Hold on. 3 minutes. I'm back. I'm back. New home sales in 2 minutes. All right. Red folder. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Oh, shit. Honestly, I probably like the downside better still. I think you could trade TPT now, but I'm not going to. Just I don't know what the news is going to bring. I don't know what the news is going to bring. Not a big news trader. I'm just not a big news trader. $30 seconds. Hey, Cove, this is my first prop firm eval ever. Use it for... Yeah. I would take it slow, man. You have 30 days to complete it, so take it slow, dude. There's no need for you to... There's just no need to do anything stupid. You know what I'm saying? Like, first of all, you can't pass in one day anyways, so you might as well just take your time. Bro, I can tell you exactly what's going to fucking happen here. You're just going to play in this zone. This is what yesterday looked like. This is exactly what we did yesterday, guys. I need to get another $250 in this account for the trading day to count. Yo, if I missed your question, post it back in the chat if I didn't answer you while I was trading this morning. So if you have questions, just pop it in the chat. I need to verify how they draw a tractor. So like something like this, I'm looking for this to possibly be resistance and then us drop. You know, that's kind of what I'm looking for is we kind of hit our head here like we did, and now we reject, and maybe we go something like this, and but the problem is I gotta scalp it. The problem is we bounced off of this 800 level so many fucking times yesterday, Monet, that I'm afraid that they're just going to suck it back up and we're going to trade back and forth. But on a normal day, what I would love to see is like us, say we traded here and we broke this and we came down like down here, right? And then we traded all the way up. And then when we got here, I'd be looking to take a rejection off of it. I mean, you could have played a rejection off of it right here for at least 10 points. I will say, though, if we break through, I would then look to maybe take a long on the retest and then up. I just use it as an area of interest is a great way to put it. You know, we're probably going to break. See how now we're like through it. If you look, this was like the and now they just kind of broke over the high. I mean, the structure is shifting to the upside here. So see now you'd want them to see this hold. What I don't want to do. See, now it's a free trade, right? This is the 50 moving average. This is going to be a rough one to get over. But you know, like I use it for scalping. Like, look, I just hit it for 45 here. I hit it for 60 here. You know, that's $105. And all, you know, I was just kind of basing it off of the orb play. Yeah, you know, it might keep going. Oh. But I just use it as an area of interest. What you don't want to happen is now we trade below and then we trade back over and then we come, because the more times you disrespect the line, it doesn't mean anything after that. I hope I answered the question, though. That's like my thought process behind it. I know there's strategies. So from the upside, if we would trade Monet, if we would trade now, say we come up, right? And then we trade over the orb and we come up. If you go up 50 points and then come back down, the bounce rate is like 90 something percent. And I would take the bounce off of the top of the orb. But see, like now we're starting to disrespect it a little bit. Like, you know, if like all of a sudden we trade back back over it to the upside, like there is no fucking play at that point. At that point, I'm kind of out on it, I guess you'd say. Man, I fucking called this shit. You gotta head and shoulders. I mean, here's a shoulder, head, shoulder. The biggest thing is it going to break previous day low and then send down to like 650? Bulenox does has an act. Yeah, it does, right? But I look at it as the total cost of funding. Like Bulenox is $16 accounts. So if you pass 1 in 3, the cost of a funded account is only is like $200. I look at everything in that aspect. Oh. Yeah, don't get anything over 50K, Ray, because the activation fees are like stupid. You got to stay under 50K. I don't understand why they do that shit. Yeah, look at that. I'm just going to say I like the downside so much better today. I'll take a shot right here. Come on. Push down. Push it. Come on, keep it going. Push. Push it. Nah. Just watch out. This is the fucking balance point. This is where we're at yesterday. Constantly yesterday. This is the bullshit. So look, see how we traded here yesterday? This is 15-minute candles. So this is an hour, multiple hours touching this area. Well, that was that. What was it? That was that. Oh, this was it right here. Just all of it. We were back and forth in this zone for, man, I don't know, 2 hours. 2 hours we were in this zone. So Fidias's daily payouts, is it? I think after you go live, it's daily payouts, Zaybak. Nobody gets the bigger accounts, TJ. Nobody gets it. Oh yeah, so they have the static. They have the static 25K accounts. Those are daily payouts. Yeah, you're right, caveman. I don't really trade those, but yeah, you are correct. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you know what? I do have an eval here. I didn't even know I had an eval here. This is what I'm gonna do. Don't get chopped up, people. Fidias. Fidias has one. Don't get chopped. Not trading is a trade. Just letting you know. Nothing worse than getting chopped. Nothing worse than in out, in out, in out, in out, in out. What up, Ya Trades? Ya Invests? What's up, man? Already made half. Oh, well, there you go, TJ. There you go. Steven, if you made a bag and you're up for the day and you feel good about yourself, you don't have to keep trading. You know what I'm saying? You most definitely do not have to keep trading. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Man, oh man, look at this. I mean, you can just get chopped up. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. So I'll bring this chart on the if I had to guess, if I was a guessing man, what would I guess? Oh, here it is. So, all seriousness, if I had to get in, I would probably go in long. As long as we held 805, I would probably be long. That would probably be my line in the sand is 805. But I mean, I'm just saying that would be my if somebody was like, "Yo, you have to choose right now what way you'd go." That's what I would do. But you can just see how the candles are moving. There is no momentum either way, and that's where you get hosed. Oh, come on. Let's anyone fucking taking this thing? This can still come back down for a retest. It could do whatever the market does. It could do a lot of things, man. It's just not presenting um what I like to see. Like this was solid, but then there was like no fucking continuation here. Yet it came all the way back. You know what I mean? Like I like this. Tell you what though, like I said, it's if you had to choose, you know, that would be the way, but I just don't see them going all the way back up to fucking 900. Like it's just so mind-boggling. I just don't see it, but who the fuck knows? Who really knows? No, you got to remember this is why I didn't take a trade. I'm just kind of hanging. You're hanging at the bottom of you're hanging at the bottom. See, now it's dropping through like you're just back in this. You're just back in this. Like there's not a path of like, all right, cool, we broke this. Like this is where I'm targeting. Like I'd rather sit and say, okay, I'm up a couple bucks. Like I'm not up a lot at all. I'm down 220 here. 19 bucks is nothing. That's nothing. That's nothing. These are nice gains. And then I'm in the, I made $100 in each one of these. This eval. I'm just dicking around with the YM. This is a YM fucking trade. I would like to see it dump. More than anything, I'd like to see it take out lows. I just don't know if it is. You have no other news today, Bean Trader. And that news wasn't like market moving. So you're kind of stuck in an area of what do we do? Does it look flaggy? If anything, what it looks like to me is you got the V-shaped recovery right here, and now we're chopping and probably push up. I don't know. You need to get below 800 for it to really start romping down. Like, so in theory, we swept Asia lows, right? Pop back through Asia low. It's hard to just turn around and say, okay, I'm just looking. It's hard to then say, it could easily just bounce at Asia lows. Like, it's not something that I'm like, oh man, this trade is going to be good. Like, I really liked the short early on. I talked about it multiple times. The downside was where it was at, and I got wicked out. But look, you basically inverted on the 4-hour. We came back, we traded back in it, and then once we traded out, that was the fucking move. I think this pushes us lower. No, Steven, you don't start over, but they'll charge you again. Every month you got to pay until you pass. So what I would do is I would try. You can't do more than $1,500 in one day. So I would just try to get to $3,000 by like 20 days is what I would do, Steven. They're not going to start you over, but I would shoot for that is what I would shoot for. See how now the bottom orb, you're just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Like, it's not respecting it. So at that point, I don't really even pay attention to it. Oh, man. Boom, 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 boom. I think you have. Are they going to give it up? They're going to give it up. Just remember, we keep bouncing in this fucking area. Just throwing it out there. Every time you think it's going to short, they fucking bounce it right in this area. All day yesterday and today. I don't want to risk my money on a fucking coin flip. Know what I'm saying, guys? Like, it's just a coin flip where we're at. The 4 hour is to the downside, but your stop would be, 75 points above where we are. Which, if you're trading anything more than 1 or 2 micros, is going to hurt if you get stopped out. This is what yesterday was like, man. We just chopped around for a very long time. We literally just chopped around for a freaking long time. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I mean, it's holding it. To me, the structure is not there. What I would have wanted to see is we drop like this, we sweep, which would have been awesome, previous day low, and then come back up and basically come all the way back up. But the fact is that we came back up and now it's just kind of like fading off and you're getting lower highs. It's just looks fucking weak. You would have wanted to see this V-shaped recovery where we got all the way up here at least, and then eventually seeing this wick. Oh, you got to remember, I mean, we had great opportunities early. We made money. Like, I can't sit here and be like, oh my God, like, boom, 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 boom. Might go up. Hey, if you wanted it to go up, it's starting to move. Dude, they knocked this candle all the way back down. That is the definition of fucking chop. Bro, I don't know where I went. Can you hear me? Yo, can you hear me? So, like, look, like, it looked like it was going up, and then we went down. Like, somebody got caught fucking buying this long. I guarantee you somebody bought this fucking long and was like, yo, guys, we're going up. And then they just dropped it on you. It's just chopping in this range. Somebody definitely just bought this fucking candle and literally got smoked out. Somebody just got dick kicked. Guaranteed. Sure. But that's what happens in chop. You get faked out. So like, oh, we're going up, and you buy, and then the next fucking candle, they just hammered on you. And I bet you somebody's going to get sucked in short right here, and they're going to bounce it back up to like 16. Dude, I'm not in anything, dude. I'm not in any positions. I was just saying if I were to guess, it would be long. I'm not in anything. I'm in 0 positions. I am sitting waiting. I am sitting and waiting. There's no reason for me to fucking get in this. My plan is not to play the fucking chop. I could tell you that. Especially that I'm up. Someone's getting chopped up, though. I can tell you that right now. Yo, look at that shit. They're just holding it around here. They're just holding it. I mean, let's see what's going on. Yo, what up, Richard? Texas Tommy, you back to even? Dude, I bet you're freaking happy that you're back to even. Just remember, man, it's just fucking just chopping around. Yo, down $52 is no big deal, Richard. You got that. That's basically even. Yo, it's crazy. I would love for them to bring back the volatility days where every 1 minute candle was like 25 points. That shit was wild. Every 1 minute candle was like 25 points. ATRs in what minute chart? 1? No, what is it in the 5-minute chart? Yo, what the fuck? Dude, that shit's so funny. You know. Oh man. I love Discord for the GIFs. I can look at the GIFs all day. Boom, 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 boom. Watch yourself. Dude, we've gone nowhere. We're going nowhere. I mean, really, you're in from 28. You're like in a 30-point chop zone. And you just peek your head out a little bit, little peaks, and it comes right back in. It's kind of what we're in. Oh, man. I think I'm done, folks. Yo, Jay Styles, if you're up, man, just take your money. Definitely take your money. Definitely don't give it back. I can tell you that. Oh. Here we go again. Another bounce. Another 800 bounce. Iced caramel macchiato. Iced coffee espresso. Dude, I could go for one of those. Yo, hook me up with one. Dude. I kind of want to risk it on a short. I got a pretty big, sizable stop, though. This is going to move around. I know I'm going to be underwater in this. Just an FYI. See how you're kind of getting a rounded top? I'm looking for this rounded top to spill over the same way as we spilt over yesterday. See how yesterday was chop, 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 and then you kind of have this like rounded top. See how it's kind of like rounded, and then eventually you just spill over for a massive dump. I am looking for the same thing right here. Just a rounded fucking top, and then they just spill it down like 100 points. Oh, I'll probably, if we come up, I'll add at like 23 or something. Yo, I keep getting pinged. Somebody keeps like, I guess they keep messaging me on fucking Discord. Why am I getting so many ping things? I'm getting ping things. What are these ping things? I don't know what it is. I give up. I give up. I'm long looking for new session highs. We shall see. You might get it. I could definitely be wrong. I'm okay with whatever happens. I'm okay with whatever happens before I get in the trade. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. You know, it's when I don't take the trades, I get annoyed. Like yesterday, I didn't take that massive dump and I got annoyed. You know, so it is what it is. She's back? Yo. What's crazy is I said that I was going to go short in this account yesterday, and it was going to be an all or nothing in the account. Yo, I was so fucking mad that I didn't take it. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just looking at my stuff. I'm well aware I could be wrong. I'm playing literally off of a higher time frame. I will fucking eat the loss. Dude, I won my fantasy football this week by 5 yards. 5 fucking yards. Bro, I just drank a fucking coffee, man. I'm so tired today. So tired. Come on, give us fucking 748. So I added at like 21. I will get out hopefully here. And it obviously it reduces my loss. Come on, one more leg down. Come on. Get down to 7. Get down to 7. Just push. One more push down. No, the other fucking way. The other push. The dump. I need the dump. I'm not in the city. It hasn't rained here at all yet. It hasn't rained here at all. I don't think it's supposed to rain until tonight. Yo, I think it's going to rain tonight. Dude, I wish this one candle came a little bit lower and fucking got me out for a little gain. Come on. It doesn't look fucking good, but I'm holding. Going up from here? Yo, this fucking market, Monet. That's why I grabbed a position on the higher time frame, and I set my stop loss for outside of the range. Right? So I'm outside of the range. if I can get taken out of like even 9, 10, this would be a win for me because I reduced my cost by. So I bought at 20 and I just sold. That's $80. I just reduced my cost, right? I got in, made $80, even though they took this one out because it's first in, first out. I added right here. So being that I got $80, it obviously helps the overall trade, I guess. That's all I was trying to do was scalp inside the trade itself to reduce the overall cost of the trade. Kind of get what I you guys get what I did. You guys get it. Yo. Yo, if I take I'm not taking a loss on this shit. I can tell you that right now. Yo, you guys thought fucking Cove was cooked, baby. Yo, tell me you thought I was cooked. Say, man, I thought you were cooked, Cove. I thought you were cooked. I know what you guys thought. You guys, everyone. They might stop me out here, though. I want to see fucking continuation. Give me some fucking push out of here. They need a continuation candle and get away from 800. That's what we really need. I'm just moving to the top of these candles. Once we break the high of the candle. Oh, come on. Keep going. Keep it. Push it. Push it. Stochastics are starting to get oversold. This shit needs to push like here. I'm going to take one off. I don't think it's going to go. I think I'm going to get stopped, personally. We're oversold on the fucking 1 minute. I'm waiting for the bounce. Here we go. What did I don't even know what I made. 170. That's not. That's 3 out of 5. I don't know. I know I made money. I think I made money. I don't fucking know. Maybe I broke even. Yo, that was fucking. Oh, that was good. That was good. It was a good move. Dude, I don't even know what my kids are doing. They're fucking screaming and shit. I mean, the only thing I didn't like about this was that we broke above these highs. Okay, go. I felt like I was watching a DC. I don't mind adding BK. Like, so say my stop for argument's sake is 840. I don't mind adding at like 832, knowing that I'm stopping out in 8 points, but the reward could be a lot further. That I don't have a problem with at all. You got to add, I like to add super close to my stop loss because at that point I'm risking very little. And I'm going to. Oh my God. This is what I'm dealing with. Can you hear my kids? Oh my God. They're leaving. Why are the kids out of school? Rosh Hashanah. I think it's Rosh Hashanah. It's a Jewish holiday. Long Island is very Jewish, and not very Jewish, but there's areas of Jewish people, I guess, more than other parts of the country, and the school district gives it a holiday. Yo, John Lee's off. But like you go to other parts of the country, they're not giving your kids off on this holiday. Dude, it's so fucking. So like we're under, but at what point do you take the trade though? Like what is your activation design? Like argument's sake, like I see where we're at, but at what point do you take it? Because it can ride there for a couple candles while you go lower and lower. You know what I'm saying? $84 is a pivot point, by the way. You know what I'm saying though? When I start seeing the I don't even know which one that is. I'm just watching it with you. I'm watching, waiting, commiserating. You know, I was just kind of wondering, like, what the trigger is. Yeah, I mean, I guess you got to play it for like 7 points. You got to have like a 7-point stop, 7-point take profit, I guess. I've seen sometimes it just runs. You know, I've seen where it goes way more than 7 points. I mean, you're at the bottom of the range. I'll be honest with you, it's not terrible. You're out of the bottom of the range. It could easily go up to like 26 again. That's not out of the question. Like, let's see where this one goes. You want yo, I got my safety right here. This is my safety. Oh, like a little fucking fly or something. Bro, some guy. Yo, this is a crazy scam that somebody just sent me. It's a PayPal receipt image with a phone number. Obviously, I didn't do this transaction. They want me to call the number up. That's fucking crazy. Dude, that's so fucking crazy. That's a crazy scam. Wow. Fucking scammers. Schemers and scammers. Yeah, this is going to be a tight fucking stop. Tight stop. Let's see if they just let it go. I'm literally just stopping out at 800, thinking that if it doesn't go above 800 and they drop it, we finally get out of this fucking range. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm not fucking contacting anybody. Yo! Oh, dude, that was fucking delayed. Yo, I just took half off and I'm going to ride this till the end. The only thing you got to worry about is we just swept lows, right? Sometimes you sweep the low and it rips it right fucking back. So just be careful with I'll just stay at fucking break even. I like the trade because you basically take out all these stops. There are a bunch of stops that are at low a day. So that's why you get these algo candles down. Plus you got people shorting, shorting into it. So like we made money. I made $77, but like I'm gonna ride this other piece, big ass move. But I'm always worried that we sweep because I think we just took out yesterday's low. Yeah, so we just took out previous day low. Technically, I would, on a normal fucking circumstance, I'm looking to take this back up because we just took yesterday's low out. But the market's been so fucking shitty. Yeah. I'm with you. Are you on the, I mean, it's a close over 790, Sean. It's got to close, though. You know what sucks, to be honest with you? You don't have like a V shape. So it's not like the normal one that we look for. Like normally we take this shit because it's dumping. Like here, what is your target? Your target's 801. 801, and then you have 826. Like it's not what we normally, look for. Like you look for the drop like this, and then you're like, oh, okay, I'm going to be looking for, 849. Like, you got room to the upside. There's not much room until you're hitting your targets here. What up, Andy? Kind of get what I mean by that? Like, you want to see a dump down, like a big ass dump down. I want to see like down, and then you have targets on the way up. Like, this just doesn't provide the targets that bounce at the pivot. I would say we're not going to bounce, to be honest. I want to see a fucking dumpski. I like playing like this, like the V back up. That's what I really want. I don't want to see this chop shit. Chop, 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 chop. Not looking for that. Yo, where's my wife going to eat? Oh. I would say unless this gets back above 800, this thing's fucking roasted. Just gonna see what's going on these on this front. Did I get approved? Tell me I got approved. Fucking pending. Pending. But yeah, I like this. I want to see it go lower though. We just took out previous day low, but it's kind of fucking weak. Let me go to like a 15-minute. Dude, take these lows out and bounce off this breaker right at like 37. I like this. I just don't like how we got there. I don't like the slow grind like this to get there. You know, I like fast. I would have wanted this to come below and then back up. I'm just, that's just my personal preference on playing this. There is no, it's just a slow grind. And that's typically not how I like to do it. Like, I'm not that into it. Maybe I take a 5 micros. Maybe I'll take 5 micros just to fucking play. And I'll stop out at 84 and risk $100. Like, you know, that's how much I trust it. I trust it with 5 micros. How's that sound? There, you got me for 5 micros. But it's not even that far. It's 30 points up. I don't really trust it. Hourly Head and Shoulders, possibly. I'll look. Yeah, I mean, looks it. Definitely looks it. I would say, if anything, you might consolidate and then dump. I gotta look at that. I'm getting fucking. You're just trading in such a small little range. Like, you got to get out of this range is what you need to do. You need to either shoot up and clear out of all this bullshit, or you need to drop and clear out of this. Just trading in here is just bullshit. That's just the honest truth about it. It's just bullshit trading in this little range. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, I need to get, what is this? Is this Delta? Oh, how do I fucking get this off? Instead of Delta. I don't know. I'm fucking dicking around with this dumb shit over here. I still don't love it. P&L. There we go. I fixed it. I don't know. I'm just saying, man. If you don't love the fucking trades, you know, you're better off sitting, especially if you're in profit. You know? What's crazy is if you did take this, that you would have swept you, that you probably would have gotten ticked out. If you took this to the upside, you might have gotten ticked out. Probably had to re-enter. Boom, 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 boom. Man, this has been an uneventful 2 days. I'm not going to lie. This has been pretty shitty. Pretty shitty 2 days we got, boys and girls. I'm going to watch it come all the way back down. See, that would be my exit point. You have an inversion on the 1 minute chart. So there was a little fair value gap right here. You have an inversion. I would be out of that to the upside. Dude, yesterday and today has been fucking brutal. Brutal. What sucks for me is I need to make... Oh, I'm going to do the math right now, actually. Oh, no, it's 23%. I'm going to have to make a fucking trade here. I need $120 more in this account for it to count as a fucking day. Because you need 10 days to get a payout, right? I need 10 days to get a payout in this account, and I'm already at 3 or 4. So I just need to keep getting the days in so I can get fucking paid. Oh, what's wild is they gave me active day trade credit. They gave me credit for a day that was at 300. Oh, no, that's early on. Yeah. Since my last payout, I only have two credited days. I'm going to need to get some money in this fucking account. By the way, I have 39. This is going to be 40 trade days in this account. 40 days of trading. Yo, you don't have to submit the form again today if you did it. If you did it today, you don't have to submit the form again. Just an FYI. It's just if you didn't do it. Oh, shit. Somebody shot up the Dallas ice facility? Oh, oh man. Bro, that's crazy. Bro, what was he doing? Dude, that's crazy. Yo, astronomers want to blow up an. Dude, it definitely looks like a Head and Shoulders. I definitely think it's going to go lower. Boom. And this. What? What, Chris? What are? Where'd we go? Oh man, this thing just looks bad. Like I just don't see a world that you're buying this shit. I just don't see where you go long. I mean, we might bounce here. We might bounce 10 points. But I'm talking overall. Overall looks no bueno. Boom, boom. Yo, you know what I'm noticing? Trade evade is definitely delayed when doing anything today. Holy shit. I keep scalping south, but it's like for $20 each. Well, you would have just got a lot more than $20 on that. All right, I need $100. I need $100 right now. I need $100. I want to go short and scout for $100, but I know as soon as I go in, I'm going to need $200 then. I'm going to need $200. Man, I fucking said this so many times playing off the 4-hour chart to go short today. Just didn't fucking hold it. We were talking about it yesterday. I was supposed to buy in my TPT 150 account 15 micros and stop out at 9. I think it was 914. I would have stopped out at. And I didn't fucking do it. I'm going to short this and I'm going to try getting my $100. I'm just waiting. Come on, push it up a little bit. I'm just trying to scalp and get my. I think I need this to be like 500 and it needs to be like $550 at least. Come on. Come on. Reject off the 9. Reject off the 9. Swoop down. I need a flush. Come on. Do it. Just do it. Come on. Come on, get through. Get through. Get low like Little John. Let's go. Bust through the bottom of that. I'm moving my stop down. Just, I don't want to see us go over that. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get my scalp. Come on. Get the scalp. That's $50. $50 make me holla. Yo, I'm at break even. I'm at break even. Come on. I got to do the fucking math. Hold on. I got to do the freaking math. I think I need $10. I think I need 10 fucking dollars, boys and girls. Oh, the joys of prop firms. I got to go to my trade details. All right. $23%. Yo, I need like $15. I need, vegan crab cakes. Yo, I need 15 fucking dollars. I mean, what's the best way to get this? I guess. I don't know. I don't know, man. I probably should not be doing that. I'm definitely doing micros. $15 fucking dollars. Oh shit, it's delayed. Come on, swoop. A little swoop action? Come on! $15! $15! Yo! We did it! We did it, Joe!
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yo. Yeah. And $10 made. Yo, that was freaking. Oh, that was nice. That was super, super nice. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. We did it. We did it, Cove. Man.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Yo, you don't know, man. That account, so I've had it for a long time, but like the fact that you need to make fucking almost $600 to count as a trading day is kind of a lot. You know, every trading day I need to make 600 fucking dollars. Otherwise it doesn't count. Oh, it's Elite Trader funding. Yeah, it was Elite Trader Funding. I've had the account. Today is trading day 40. So I've had it for a while. I'm right at the payout buffer, but after today, I still need 7 more days of $600. So like when I get a payout from them, it's going to be a bigger one. Yo, 748 was yesterday's previous day low of the day before, I think, because we were looking for that yesterday, right? Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Yeah, we were looking for that yesterday and just never got it. Yo, what's sad is people following is the problem, and there's no risk management. Dude, if you're trading with no stop loss or you're watching someone trade with no stop loss, you just should fucking exit. It's one thing if they're just like, hey, man, I'm YOLOing this eval, but like for real trading with no stop loss, you're a fucking moron. Hate to say it. Dude, I can't believe I was fucking all in on this fucking short. How do I get him closer to the left? Hold on, because I am 2 seconds away from fucking pouncing on something. I probably just scroll. I there's no setting for that. Like this, I'm on a higher time frame. I don't know. I didn't do anything, to be honest with you. I haven't touched. There's no setting. This is just the way it is on my chart. Wow, this thing just fucking. Yo, Tradeivate is so fucking. Yo, Tradeivate like fucked, man. I should have waited for confirmation like a fucking moron. I just took it off the pivot point. Literally, there's a pivot point at 7:30. Oh, tell me it goes now. You are a piece of shit if you go right now. 7:42 is the confirmation. 7:42 is the confirmation. Yo. 5-point micro trades? Bro. What is that? He's getting $10 at a time, and then you got commissions. So it's like $8 to $10. What up, Jerry? $8 to $10. Just call it $10. You got to make 40 fucking trades to make up $400. Yeah, 40 trades that have to be right. Bro, I'm itching. There's a pivot point right here. I hope it holds. If we got the pivot that holds and we get over 42, oh shit. Pivot not holding. Just remember, the worst thing you could do is constantly keep trying to guess. Just wait until you get at least an inversion to the upside. At least an inversion to the upside. Dude, I am so fucking pissed, man. I just got to say fuck it with the accounts and just say, hey, man, I'm buying this and this is what I'm doing. I'll take it on a 29 close. I'm watching. I mean, I talked about the short. Yo, what the fuck just happened? Yo, I'm in. I'm fucking in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Oh my God. I'm fucking in. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this thing just fucking fucked me. Oh my God. Bro. I completely just got fucking fucked by the delay in Tradeify. Bro, I just got trade evaded. I just got fucking trade evaded. Oh, motherfucker. Is anybody else's trade evade slow, like delayed? Yo, welcome to the stream, whoever just subscribed. Fuck. Fuck me. Bro, I was up and I fucking... Oh my God. I got my alarm beeping, the stream cut out, and trade evade's fucking delayed. I'm gonna get stopped out. Fuck it. Hold on. Yo, what a fucking series of events that just happened there. Awesome. I was literally up fucking like 15 fucking points. And I couldn't sell out. Un-motherfucking believable. What's up, Josh? Bro, I'm kicking myself. I had this short. I had this whole short. Yeah, I'm back. Why? I need to fucking reset probably. I need to reset. Can you hear me fine though? What can you hear me? Like I get it. Camera's cooked. Camera's definitely cooked. Can you hear me fine or no? Okay. I mean, I'm looking to just play this bounce. So, yeah. I'm looking to play this bounce. Oh my God. Yo, I think my computer is just fucking... Dude, I think the trade of 8 shit is lagging because of my fucking computer. Oh no. Dude, I need to get... Oh, dude. Yo, the thing wasn't buying me in, and then it just bought me in all these fucking... The whole thing is delayed. My whole thing is delayed. I would have lost anyways, but yeah. Oh, this thing's fucking garbage. I'm fucking delayed. The whole computer. Oh, it's just so fucking... It's not my Wi-Fi. Yo, I'm jumping off because I have to reset this whole thing, and I'm getting off at noon anyways. So I'm jumping off. I'm looking to take this long, but I can't. I'm looking to take this long, but I got to reset my computer. I definitely have to reset my computer. There's something going on here, and everything's delayed. I don't know how many contracts I'm buying and whatnot. So I'm going to reset, and I'll be back at 2 p.m. All right. Peace.